In this video, you are going to see how to remove header from the second page in Google Docs. As you can see here. Here I have two pages and I have header only in the first page, but I don't have header in the second page. So let's get started. To insert the header, go to Insert, go to Page Element and click on Header. Then the header will be inserted. Let me write here header. Now click on outside and here you will see I have header in the first page and the second page. Click on the header again and click on different first page and let us add the header over here. Select it, make it bold, make it center. If you want, you can change the font color. Now click on outside, but I have header in the second page. Click on over here and remove it. And here you will see I have in the header in the first page and there is no header from the second page. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.